The effect of some climatic parameters on temporal variations of sand and dust storm events over Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study examines the increasing incidence of sand and dust storm (SDS) events in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, emphasizing their environmental and social impacts. Dust and sand storms (SDS) are prevalent in arid regions like the Arabian Peninsula, significantly impacting environmental conditions and human health. SDS events are natural phenomena that adversely affect air quality and human health, as well as the local economy. The objective of the study is to analyze the relationship between climatic factors such as temperature, precipitation, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure, and the occurrence of dust from 2007 to 2023, identifying spatial and temporal patterns. A multiple linear regression model was employed to assess data from the National Center for Meteorology, revealing a significant positive correlation between rising temperatures and SDS events, where a 1-unit increase in temperature leads to an increase of 0.186 in the frequency of dust occurrences. Conversely, increased atmospheric pressure and precipitation are associated with decreases in dust occurrences. Additionally, higher wind speeds significantly reduce the number of events. Based on the study's findings, it is recommended that temperature be used as an indicator or predictor for SDS events in forecasting models, enhancing the ability to predict these phenomena and promoting sustainable environmental management strategies. Introduction. Dust and sand storms are common in desert areas like Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and they can seriously affect both the environment and people's health. This study looks at how climate conditions like temperature, rain, wind speed, wind direction, and air pressure affect the occurrence of dust storms in Riyadh between 2007 and 2023. While past research has looked at dust storms in the Middle East, there's been little focus specifically on Riyadh. This research fills that gap by exploring how often these storms happen, when they are most common, and how they vary throughout the day and year. It also examines why there was a noticeable drop in dust storms in 2023. By better understanding the link between weather and dust storms, this study hopes to offer useful insights for improving public safety, managing environmental impacts, and supporting future planning in the region. Conclusion. This study explores how weather conditions affect dust and sandstorm activity in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, from 2007 to 2023. Dust storms, which are most frequent in spring and summer, especially April and June, are driven by strong winds, high temperatures, dry soil, and low rainfall. However, in 2023, there was a sharp drop in storm activity, with almost no storms recorded in typically active months. The study found strong links between wind speed and storm frequency, as well as between temperature and increased dust events. On the other hand, rain and higher air pressure helped reduce dust activity. Most storms caused a drop in visibility to less than 5 kilometers, with some reducing it to just 800 meters. The findings highlight the need for better environmental and climate management to reduce the impact of these storms. This research offers valuable insights for improving air quality, safety, and public health in dust-prone regions. Thank Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.